Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem where we check if a string qualifies as a correct sentence. A sentence is correct if it starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Let's dive in. The goal is to determine if a string qualifies as a correct sentence. It must start with a capital letter and end with a period. If either condition is violated, it's not a valid sentence. This ES5 implementation works as follows. It extracts the first and last character of the string. It uses a regular expression to check if the first character is an uppercase letter. It ensures the last character is a period, and it returns true if both conditions are satisfied. Otherwise, it would return false. The program uses a simple process. We first extract the first and last character of the string. Secondly, we validate the first character using a regular expression and check if the last character is a period. And finally, we return true if both conditions are satisfied. Let's analyze these examples step by step. For this is a valid sentence, both conditions are met, so the output is true. For this starts lowercase, the first character is not uppercase, so the output is false. For this sentence misses a period, the last character is not a period, so the output is false. The ES6 version is functionally identical to the ES5 implementation, but uses modern JavaScript syntax, including arrow functions and block scoped variables with const. This version is more concise and more readable. Edge cases to consider include an empty string which doesn't satisfy the conditions, single character strings that lack a period, strings ending with characters other than a period, and strings starting with a non-alphabetic characters. In summary, this program checks whether a string represents a correct sentence by validating its starting and ending character. It efficiently handles common edge cases and provides a clear result. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.